ọkwa ịma na ọ na-eme na mmadụ nwere ike gbakọkata mmụọ ya azụ, ignore kata mmụọ gị. The day unu chọzi ịkpọnata mmụọ ahụ, unu need ịga like a neighboring active mmụọ, like a communal deity now to bring back una umunna deity. Say na there una umunna deity they commune with spirits. So now guys go that place, go do sacrifice. Phone I will carry him, come outside, come go do obi for him, do everything for him, appease. Come feast with him, come out sacrilege and abomination, right? So, in no day possible, say tomorrow one white man now, one white young man now from Arkansas, go gas come your house now to come carry him father Arobinago. Koba mmụọ emegbu na mmụọ emegbu. Yotago. Emegbu na mmụọ emegbu. Go mmụọ. If you enjoy the insights that Alusi Pablo shares on his channels, you are going to enjoy the insights that Alusi Pablo shares in his book. Alusi Pablo's book is called Igommo 101. It's an introductory course to spirituality. So check it out and leave a kind review wherever you get it. Thank you very much.